Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Raft Survival, guys. No jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, guys, I have a ton of money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this modded version, guys, which will give you unlimited money, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It's super awesome. And if you like to play Raft Survival, guys, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this modded version installed onto your device. No jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see in the Raft Survival, I am super rich. I do not know why the camera is not going to focus, but you can maybe see right there I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website. It's called Zoo Mods and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website, guys, where we can get this Raft Survival hack. So once you're on this website, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in Raft Survival. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, guys, it says Raft Survival Mods. Just press on this and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you go to the App Store, you guys can see how expensive it is. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in Raft. As you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So I would not encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever. So all you gotta do, guys, is just go to Zoo Mods. You can download the modded version. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. This actually works. So yeah, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out and get the word out about this method because it's fully updated, guys. It's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it's super crazy, bro. It actually works, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, this is super awesome, guys. You can become the legend in Raft Survival, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully working modded version, so be sure to let all your friends know about this modded version, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully updated version. So I will see you guys later, and please subscribe to my channel, and peace out, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a lot of fun with the method, guys.